I'm Major Richards, and I'm the Future Operations Officer at MCAS Iwakuni, and I was also the Air Show Director for Friendship Day 2024. For Friendship Day 2024, our official number is just over 113,000 guests that came in either on bus, plane, or just basically walking on the installation. So it is post-COVID, that is the highest number so far, and I'm sure as we can continue, that number will continue to grow. Blue Impulse is obviously Japan's premier flight demonstration team. We got to see every single maneuver in all of its glory, so that was a great sight to see. Not only is this event just for entertaining the general public, it is a showcase of what we have on the installation. There's a great mix of different aircraft from not only the Marine Corps side, but also for CVW-5. It really shows just kind of what these aircraft can do when you max perform them and some of the slow speed capability. It's a great display both in the sky and on the ground.
I am Lieutenant Yamala Jimenez, here part of MCAS Iwakuni's Facilities Department. Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni added a family-inclusive day that allowed families and exceptional visitors, both on and off the installation, an opportunity to receive a small-scale Friendship Day experience. With the help of many organizations and MCAS Iwakuni's personnel, U.S. and Japanese members of the MCAS Iwakuni community, local orphanages, and members of the local community with special needs were able to experience an air show that showcased the strength of the U.S.-Japan alliance. By working together and furthering our mutual respect and understanding, we can build an even stronger, more unified community that benefits everyone involved. This event not only highlighted our shared commitment to cooperation, but the importance of our outstanding relationship, which is why we call the event Friendship Day.